In this tutorial, you will learn how to send a message. So your first step is going to be to put in an email here. In this case, I want to email John Smith, so I can click on his info. I previously put his info into the address book, so it makes it easier. Next, type in a subject, and then your email message. Now that I have finished typing my message, I can go to the check spelling button and click on it. You'll notice that it highlights you because I've spelt it wrong, so I can click on that and choose the correct spelling. Your next option is to add an attachment. You can go up to the top here and click on the paperclip. It says attach a file. Next, you can choose a document or a picture. So in this case, I'm going to click this modem. It's a picture I want to attach. So you'll notice it shows up here in the bottom left-hand corner. It says modem. You'll click upload, and it moves it to one of the attachments in the email. So that will be sent with your email. Another option I have is to click beside this email address up here, and I've previously saved in my address book a group named work addresses. So you'll see that there's one person in there, so I can click that and that will add all the addresses from that group. Or I have another one called farm contacts, and you'll see that there's two people in there. So if I click on that, it will add the people that are in that list to my email. To learn more about adding email addresses to a group, you can view the tutorial on Address Book. The next option I have is to insert a signature. So I've pre-programmed it to put in Quadro Communications, Global Reach with the Global Touch. In your case, you may want to put your name here and your favorite quote here. This button here is to save this draft. So you may have noticed this message pop up saying message saved to drafts. If you go back to your inbox, you can click on your drafts folder, and you could see this is where my message was. So here it says, "Good morning, John. Just checking in to see how you're doing. Talk soon." Your next step is to click edit here at the top. By clicking edit, it will send you back to your original email where you can edit it and send it. The last button is the message option button. I have the option of returning the receipt and a delivery status notification. When I click on these boxes, I will receive an email saying that the message was sent. I then can click on priority level of the email. In this case, the email is probably low priority or lowest priority because it's not something that needs to be returned immediately, but I can keep it on normal. If the email is something that is a high priority level, you can mark it as high or highest. This option is to save the sent message. You can choose to save the sent message in sent, trash, important emails, junk, drafts, or inbox. In this case, I'm going to leave it in the sent folder. Your next step is to send your message. Click the Send Now button, and it will send the message. I'm going to go back to the inbox. In a past message I have sent, this is the delivery report that the email sends back to me. So you'll notice that it says Successful Mail Delivery Report. This is the end of the tutorial on sending messages.